Hey everyone, welcome back, and let me show you how you can update your Duolingo app on your Android phone. So, of course, you might have the Duolingo downloaded like I do on my device, but in order to ensure I'm running the latest version, I need to go to the Play Store, which is the place where you download apps. So it's called Play Store or Google Play. You open up the thing in here and essentially go to search, and you can type in the name of the app. So you can literally type in Duolingo and open it within the Play Store. So you can click on it like this. And for me, it currently says open. But if there would be an update available, I'd see the update button instead of the open button. So this is how I can quickly check out if I'm running the latest version or not. So that's how we can definitely check it out. But another possible way would be to basically go to your profile in here and click on your profile picture within the Play Store and go to the Manage Apps and Device. And in here, you can see the updates which are currently available. So you can click on See Details, and you can find all of the apps which need to be updated. Naturally, Duolingo is not on the list because we just found out before that I'm running the latest version already, but this applies to some random other apps you might have on your phone. But this is generally how it works. Keep in mind that if there is something new, like a new update, literally inside of the Duolingo app, you usually get a pop-up that you should update, so it's not likely that you're going to miss out on something very important without noticing it. So let me know what you think about this video below. Subscribe for videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.